JCB uses the latest telematic technology to help you get closer to your equipment anywhere in the world with clear, real-time information via web, email or mobile. JCB LiveLink gets you closer to maintaining peak performance, helping to reduce running costs. LiveLink gets you closer to managing maintenance and servicing to keep your equipment working and earning for longer. LiveLink gets you closer to protecting your equipment by alerting you to poor operation, unauthorized usage and theft. LiveLink also gets you closer to fast and total support. JCB dealers proactively monitor your equipment to keep you up and running, whilst JCB keep track via a series of uptime centers located across the globe. That's complete peace of mind. So, whether you manage one piece of equipment or a whole fleet, JCB gets you closer and keeps you closer 24/7. JCB LiveLink. Get closer.